All right, my name is Doug Joseph, and
Hey, Jerry Vincent.
Yeah.
Hi.
you probably have one of us as your instructor. What we're doing this semester is, as you well know, college classes are closed, but we're moving them online. So today we're going to show you how to access your course under MyMathLab. So that's the program that we're going to be using. Jerry and I have worked together to create the course, so they look very similar. Jerry teaches elementary, I teach intermediate, college algebra, and statistics. So you'll have one of us. If you had Jerry before, you're going to have Jerry again in elementary. If you had me for the other courses, you'll have myself as your instructor as well. We're in the process of creating all of your accounts, so you'll be able to log in. Let me show you kind of how this is going to work. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to mymathlab.com. So www.mymathlab.com. Okay? And you'll go ahead and log in here. Now, we've already created all of your accounts. We're in the process of doing that now. You'll come to this site here, and you're going to want to sign in. If this comes up, you're going to have to change your browser settings so that you can accept pop-ups. We'll go ahead and skip that for now, but you'll need to set that up with your own browser. Next, it's going to ask for a username and password. Now, your username should be your Allen email address, so your student ID number at allencc.edu, and your password should be the first 4 letters of your last name, last 4 of your social. First letter has to be capitalized, though. If your last name has 4 or fewer characters, you'll be getting an email with your own password in it. So, for example, if your last name is Hill, it only has 4 letters, you're going to have a different password. So you'll go ahead and log in, and you'll get that password through the email. Most of you, though, have the standard password. So we'll go ahead and log in just to show you what it looks like here. And it'll sign in. Okay. I have a lot more courses than you do, of course, but you'll find your course. So it might be Monday, 8:30 to 11:30, whatever it might be. You're only going to have one, though, because you only signed up for one course, so you can't click on the wrong one. You'll go ahead and click on your course, and this is going to load up now your MyMathLab. Now, you're going to have fewer buttons than I do, but the ones that I want to kind of focus on right now are the staff information. So depending upon if you have Jerry as your instructor or myself, you'll see our contact information. It'll have our email address, or in Jerry's case, since he's still working, he'll have his office phone number as well. Syllabus, you can look at that. Another important one to look at, though, is due dates. So when you click on the due dates, we've got our due dates listed here. Now, Jerry and I work together, and we're sending our due dates every week on Wednesday.
Yeah.
So that way it's consistent with all of us. So all the due dates are going to be on a Wednesday. When you go to your assignments here, you click on that, and it's going to bring out all of the assignments. And some of them are simply watching videos to prepare you for the assignments. Others have questions, so we'll just look at one. This is an intermediate algebra class, but all of them are set up pretty much the same. You click on your assignment here. You can take these for an unlimited times until you get the score that you want. So if you don't feel like you've mastered the homework and want to try it again, you can try it as many times as you need to. You'll click on your question. It's one question at a time. It'll load up on the screen. You'll see the answer blanks where you can fill it in, and you can check your answer. If your answer's not right, it'll change the numbers, and you can try it again. On your homework, not on exams, but on your homework, you also have question help. You can click on that, and we have textbook, so it's going to link to the textbook page number for that question. You can print it out if you want, or you can ask your instructor. And if you do the ask your instructor, it's going to let you put some comments in, and it's going to send that problem to either myself or Jerry Vincent. And then we can see exactly what question you're struggling with. So it's much easier than just trying to tell us and paste the question in an email. It's easier if you do it this way. That way we can keep track of it. We get an email, and then we can reply back to your Allen email. So everything goes back to your Allen email. So you can do that. Once you've done that, give us a little bit of time to read your email. We'll read it, and then we'll try and get back with you and help you solve any question that you might need to have help with. Okay. And then we also have Student Gradebook. I can't really show you that because mine's different than yours. But all of it's in here. Just try and keep up with the class. And Jerry and I have been talking about the grades as well. And I think we've came to a conclusion, since spring break was right in the middle of the class, I think what we're going to do, and we got together on this, is just take what you had before and take what you get from the My Math Lab and average them together for your final class grade. Okay. Anything else you'd like to say, Jerry?
Yeah, if you guys ever feel like you just need a little bit extra help and want to maybe communicate with me, shoot me an email. And what we can do is we can set up a time, and I can invite you to a Zoom session. And one of the things I'll have available to me is like a document reader, and you can show me what your problem is, and we can kind of go through it, and I can show you step by step, hopefully, how to do that problem. So that's it. That's something we'll have access to. So don't feel like you can't communicate to us. We can sure work with you even from a distance. Okay.
And we've also got the instructions written on paper too, where in your email, we're going to send you an email that's going to show you step-by-step directions. Because I know sometimes it's hard to keep up with us on the screen. So we're going to have this where you can print it out. It shows you exactly how to log into My Math Lab, and it shows you everything we talked about today. Okay. So hopefully everyone is able to access their course pretty quickly. If you ever have any questions on how to log in, you can ask. If you're in my class, you can ask myself. If you're in Jerry's class, you can ask Jerry. We're here to make sure that we can get you started on this as soon as possible. You do not want to wait, because every week we're going to have something due. We did that on purpose because we really want to make sure you start working now. So don't wait a couple of weeks and think that you can just try and hurry up and get it done. We want you to start now. Okay, so on Monday, you'll be able to log in, access your class, and begin your work. And again, if you ever have any questions, we're here for you. We're going to try to make this work this semester. There might be a few hiccups along the way, but we're here to make sure you're successful.
Yeah, be patient with us.
Yep.
It's a new learning experience for us too, but we'll get there.
Yeah, it's a new thing for all of us, but we're going to make it through it, and we're here to help in any way that we can. Thank you.
Thank you.